Alright, so, excuse me with this, messed up hair. But messed up hair, we don't care. So, starting my day out. Actually, it's been started out for a few hours now because I woke up at 6:30. That's what happens when you get to be old. You just wake up at early hours. Hate it. Oh my gosh. So we're at Walgreens. We gotta get little Miss Angel pee pads. My mom randomly bought her pee pads from here and they have been the best pee pads ever. So if you guys need pee pads, come here. And I'm telling you, because she goes through probably 20 pee pads a day, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so here they are, and they're always buy one, get one free. So I get 200 for $23, and I'm telling you, they're amazing. These are the best pee pads. And no, I did not get paid to say this. I wish I did, because this will only last us like what? I don't know, maybe 3 weeks is so much pee pads, you think? Couple weeks. It's just, she pees, but she has, you know, a hole in her heart, so it's okay. She takes medicine that makes her pee all the time. She drinks a lot, pees a lot, but these are the best pee pads. You will not regret this purchase.
Okay, so we're gonna get fake nails. We've never done this before. Well, Jackie's done it like 10 years ago, so we haven't used this fun stuff. But I'm actually gonna put a pair of these shorter ones on my fingernails. Ew, creepy! I used to get my nails done for a long time. Oh yeah, why not? I just don't know which ones I want. Like, I really like these ones, and I like these ones, and then I like those ones too, so I don't know which ones to get. These ones are cool, but they're way too long for me.
Of course,
I'm like way too long.
Pastel.
Yeah, those are super pretty.
I'm still deciding which ones.
Jackie's gonna get 2 sets. It's buy 2 sets, get 1 free. So she's gonna get 2 sets because she'll probably use them more than I would. But if I like them, I'll definitely get more. But I don't know which ones to get.
So, Walgreens, our total was $91, and then when you put in your Walgreens card, it came down to like 54 bucks. So it was really awesome. I did get a pair of nails, which is funny because, you know, I am tomboy, but when I go out, my hair and makeup is always done. So, you know.
Oh, really? Because your
oh,
hair
yeah,
makeup
is not done. Because I'm like, I don't care. All right, we got our nails. We got this set, this
I'm gonna
set,
do this set today.
and that set.
No, wait. Which one should I do?
Ooh, I don't know.
I think this set.
Okay.
This set.
Well, I'm doing this set, and Tambry's gonna help me. Says no glue needed. We're just gonna follow the steps.
What?
Yep, basically clean with enclosed prep pad, peel it,
Stickies on the back.
and stick it. Don't miss prep pad. Step 1.
Buff them and then clean.
It'll
so
have a
never
different
mind.
one there. 'cause they're
I just buff like this, Tambry?
Yeah. Buff it until there's no shine on it.
No shine on my nose.
Oh, there's a little.
It's a filer, I think it said. It came with. Got done pretty much buffing them, and then now we have to clean them, which that's step 1 here.
I don't know if.
Same thing. I think this is, yep, it's rubbing alcohol. That's what you're cleaning the oils off with. I'm moving on to putting my nails on. Hopefully
See,
they
I'm
fit
the
my
type
fat
that,
thumbs.
Like overdoes it, like. Ooh, I will keep buffing and buffing.
Yeah,
and buffing
she's gonna
and
be here
buffing
5
and
hours
buffing
later,
and buffing
that
and
one.
buffing and buffing. Well, I'm almost done.
I hope they fit
I
me. I
think
have
you're
such
doing a
white
great job.
thumbnails.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Is that the? It
This is
just
the biggest.
barely fits you.
It's okay.
I have
It
an
looks
indention
good.
in the middle. What happened?
Because I tried to,
Really stick it on?
yeah.
Wait, how'd you do that?
You
She
just
just-
pull off the tab.
Oh,
It's got a good stick.
Damn.
yeah.
Tambry, I thought you were gonna be. They're really on there,
Damn.
but you are putting them on crooked. So.
No, it's because your nail's too big.
Oh wow! I feel like you might rip off my nail underneath. They're really. Oh, what did you do?
Too big.
Oh my god!
It's gonna fit.
Okay, so we have finished. Look at how pretty yours are. And they are really hard to get off your fingers. It has really thick glue. And so here's one hand that Tambry did for me. It's got the marble doorbell effect. Can you hold the phone, baby? And then here's the other hand. We've got fancy.
Part of my day, I am doing some things in the nursery. So this was a bassinet cradle. It's a cradle I bought at Kids to Kids in Utah. So I just bought a TV tray for it. Oh my god, I'm almost gonna fall. But I'm getting it. This is our vlogging wall, so when we vlog, we can just move this out of the way, or maybe it won't be in the way. So this beautiful bedding I got as a gift at the show is in there right now. So that's what I'm doing, just trying to get the nursery together. This is where it's at. We have a lot going on. A lot of chaos. Okay, so for today's video, I've decided I'm gonna do a what's inside video, and it's gonna be pretty freaking creepy. I just know it. So I don't know how well this is gonna go down on YouTube or with anybody, but we're gonna find out what's inside this child. I know, but it's a stolen, illegal silicone, and no, it's not Evita. It is some, I don't even know what company it is. There's so many of these companies. Putting Parker into a new outfit. He has had a special outfit for a very, very long time. Kelly Maple's mom, she showed me this site, Vineyard Vines, and there's a really, really cute outfit in there that I wanted, and she was supposed to send me some special link later to get this, like, I don't know, discount on it or whatever. And she never sent it, and then, like, I just forgot about it. And it was gonna be his outfit that he would wear to the doll show back in 2017. Before I sold him, I had planned to take him, and then well, she bought it and mailed it to us for the doll show, and so he never got to wear it. So I am putting that outfit on him today. It is super cute, and it's very hot outside, so it's a perfect outfit. But it's this romper, and it's really adorable. It's like different shades of blue, and then there's some pink in there, and it's like plaid, and in the middle it has the outline of the blue well. And then we're gonna pair it up with a nice onesie that I found. It's Little Bird. It's from Mother Care, I believe.
So Wade's got this like just a nicer onesie shirt that he can wear with that romper, and then he's gonna wear his little penny loafer like looking shoes, just some little sailor shoes. It's gonna be really cute. So I made the video cutting up the doll. You know, I was really shocked at how many didn't want me to cut her up. Like, I get it, she's a cute doll, and you know, I didn't want to cut her up myself either, but she's also a stolen product, so she's illegally here. And I mean, we all know what happens if you're here in the United States illegally. Just saying, if you've been watching the news, a lot of stuff going on. So she's here illegally, so I thought we'd have fun and cut her up on YouTube. Some people were just not for it. But hey, to each their own, right? I didn't like half the video stuff. She doesn't belong in the United States, she doesn't belong to Reborn. So just cut her up, put her in the trash. That's where she is now. Oh my goodness, Parker, this is like a perfect fit for you. So let's unbutton that. Wow, you. Dang, boy. This is 3 to 6 month size. Okay, well, he's so cute in this. Isn't he adorable in this outfit? Yes, you are. Let's button it up. So pretty. I'm going to have to do photos tomorrow of him in it to share. Like with the camera, like really nice photos. This is a really cute outfit. He really is, Parker. It's so adorable. And then we have his little koala shoes here that I'm going to put on him to go with it. So yeah, if you guys didn't watch the cutting the doll up video, you should totally check it out. It's a silicone doll, and who knows what else other kind of chemicals. But I cut it up on my channel. Parker, show everybody your shoes. No, it's not going to work that way. Put you that way.
So handsome. You look so cute. Yes, you do. Ooh, Jackie, what you cooking? It smells really good.
It's part of my leg.
It's part of the silicone baby?
Okay, wow.
Just kidding, guys. That is pork loin? No.
Yeah.
It's not. Is it pork loin or pork chops? Pork loin rib chops. Smells so good. And you're gonna flip it. Flip it, flip it,
I
flip
think
it.
so.
Ooh, look at that. And then are they gonna go in the oven?
No,
Oh, okay. We need to get that lamb again.
you don't like it.
I only had it once. I don't even think I really tried it, actually. Ooh, yummy. I'm trying to just organize things. You know, we live in the front room because my mom needed financial help. We needed financial help. So I'm like trying to just squeeze everything into small spaces. So I'm actually getting rid of a lot of stuff. That's it. There's new baby clothes coming out. I cannot keep the ones I have. So I'm going to be making more mystery boxes. So starting the newborn boy clothes. Got to get rid of everything that I have just kept and not used. And then over here, I've got clothes I'm still trying to sort through. So yeah, the nursery is taking some changes. So I'm just, it's so stressful. I'm going to show you guys the progress I've made. So, this was here earlier, yeah. So we've got Willow in there. I think there were some odd things here, but yeah.
This was the biggest progress. So we can see the crib. So we're at the crib part. And it's just like little odds and ends things in here, really. It's not anything major, like stuffed animals and stuff. So I just have to put that stuff away. And then my friend Silicone, her ugly Silicone, is in here. And it's okay. She's okay with me calling it ugly because she calls it ugly. So we call it ugly. That's like its name. But it's in there. And so yeah, like I just have to get rid of these little odds and ends. And we're getting there. But I am I cleaned out my drawers and really got rid of, I know that doesn't look cleaned out, but I did. The girl stuff, I'm not quite ready to let go because it's brand new. And I have a girl, so I got rid of stuff I was like saving for a long time because now I just need to get rid of it. So those mystery boxes are online. Yeah.
Okay, you guys just saw Jackie rooting on my prototype silicone baby. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. So I thought I would put Willow into these super cute pajamas. Look at them, they're adorable. They're faded glory. They're like a peach color with dark gray and a lighter gray. And they have crescent moons and full moons and stars. So cute. Stripes. Found it at Walmart. And I rarely find... Where is the zipper? Oh, the zipper's at the bottom. That's strange. Okay. Hopefully it comes undone. Oh, sweet. That's so cool. I always hated the zipper ending at the top because I'm like, if this is a real baby, I feel like it would just pinch the baby. Okay, let's see how this zipper works. First time doing this for me. Oh, so I want to let you guys know how I'm making my mystery box now. Is when I change the babies, those clothes go aside for the mystery boxes. So, and there's still a few online, and I did put a couple preemie girl ones up. So yeah, that's so I can be, actually change my babies on a regular basis and not just buy clothes and never use them. And this stuff that's in my mystery boxes right now is my favorite because it was stuff I was keeping. I'm like, why am I keeping it? I've been keeping it and never using it. Time to let it go. But look at how cute she looks. She looks so adorable. Oh my gosh. Willow, you are so cute.